This How to 1 Minute will show you how to stream a game on Discord. Open your Discord and open the server where you want to stream your game. And make sure to open your game. And after opening the server, here you will get the voice channel section. Inside of this section, click on General and click on Share Your Screen. And now all you have to do is just select the window where you are playing your game. Make sure to select, and if you want to share your game audio, then you have to take this option, Share Tab Audio, and then click on Share. And then your game will be streaming on your Discord, and you can click on the stream settings. From here you can change your window. Then if you want to stop your streaming, you can click on Stop Streaming. So that's how you will be able to stream your game on Discord. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.